Hi, welcome to My Cute Toons. Today we're going to draw Tickety Tock from Blue's Clues. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start off with two eyes. So we're going to make nice oval shapes next to each other and a light reflection. And let's color the eyes in. Then right below the eyes, we're going to draw a little button nose. And from this button nose, we're going to draw two arms stretching out. We're going to draw one arm there. And let's draw another one to the other side. A bit longer than the other one. And then we're going to draw some fingers. Let's make 4 fingers. Let's do it on the other side. So I'm going to draw a little thumb. And maybe a finger pointing, and then maybe a few fingers pointing back as well. Now let's color the arms in. And right below the arms, we're going to draw a little smile with a nice big open mouth. And now right around, we're going to draw the face. So I'm going to start up here and I'm going to draw a circle. And maybe connect it there. Now right inside we can draw numbers. So first we're going to draw a musical note. From there, I'm going to take it over a musical note and let's color that in as well. And now we're going to draw numbers. So we're going to draw number 1, 2 will be behind the hand, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be behind the hand, and 11 might stick out there. Now right above there, I'm going to draw 2 bells. So I'm going to draw a little bell here on top, the little button on top, and maybe a little shadow as well. Now on this side, let's do the same thing. I'm going to draw a little bell, line for the shadow, and a button on top. And right here we're going to connect them with a round line and a little button on top. Good. And now we're going to draw it nice and round all the way around. So there we go. And now 2 legs, and then we're finished. There's one leg and there's the other. Now the only thing we need to do now is just to color this button in. And we can color these 2 buttons in as well. And there's Tickety Tock. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure your Tickety Tock will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.